Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Trans-Jamaican Highway additional public offer by the Jamaican government closed March 18th. However, it could be upsized if the initial offer is oversubscribed. This offer contained just over 1 billion shares for sale to the general public at $3.601 or US 0.0228 per ordinary share. In addition, some 700,280,000 reserve shares were being offered at $3.60 or US 0.0228 per ordinary share to the reserved share applicants. The upsize will be offered to both the general public and the reserved share applicants on a pro rata basis. Lead broker NCB Capital Markets noted that Trans-Jamaica Highway's offer for sale opened 2 weeks prior on March 4. JMMB Securities also served as a selling agent. The Trans-Jamaica Highway asset has proven to be a strong cash flow investment with growing dividends. Trans-Jamaica Highway operates the Highway 2000 East-West Corridor, a vital artery connecting major urban centers under a long-term concession agreement. National Commercial Bank has launched a $1 billion growth fund for SMEs, under which a secured loan will attract an interest rate of 9.75% per annum and an unsecured loan of 15.99% per annum rate. The bank also recently cut all its lending rates to the SME sector by 0.25%. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica is reporting that the country's inflation rate, which is changes in consumer prices, dipped to negative 0.9 percentage points during the month of February. This is based on lower food, non-alcoholic beverages, housing, water, electricity, gas, and fuel prices. Statin also says the point-to-point rate, the rate from February 2024 to February 2025, fell to 4.4% from 4.7% from January 2024 to January 2025. For the trading period ending March 18, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Advertising and real estate holding company Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 5,094,989 units traded, representing 21.21% of market sales volume. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 4,519,366 units traded, representing 18.81% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 4,271,696 units traded, representing 17.78% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 18, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $55.14 million purchased and US $68.08 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.69 per dollar, selling the US at $157.53 and buying the US at $155.84. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 98 cents per transaction, with selling at $110.03 and buying at $109.05. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.35 in profits, with selling at $205.57 and buying at $197.22. For our credit report tip of the day, if you owe more than 300,000 Jamaican dollars and feel like there's no way out, bankruptcy could be the financial reset you need. Here's a few ways that bankruptcy can help you regain control of your financial life and position yourself for success over the next 7 years. First, it's an opportunity to rebuild your credit. Although bankruptcy will appear on your credit report, it also gives you a chance to rebuild. Over the next 7 years, you can demonstrate responsible financial behavior by paying bills on time, using secured credit cards, and gradually improving your credit score. Second, it provides a legal framework for financial recovery. Rather than struggling to repay debt on your own, bankruptcy provides a structured, court-supervised plan to help you regain stability. This allows you to reset your finances with legal protection. Now, when we talk about financial recovery and resilience, here's the truth. Financial resilience isn't about having a flawless plan. It's about taking bold steps forward, even when the path looks different than you expected. The right mentor can help a woman over the age of 45 break through fear, embrace progress over perfection, and build the financial future you deserve. There are a few ways you can access mentorship to break free from perfectionism and build the financial resilience you deserve. First, leverage LinkedIn for virtual mentorship. Follow and engage with financial experts, coaches, and business leaders. Many professionals offer free insights and opportunities to connect. Second, attend mastermind groups for business and finance. Surround yourself with women who are also on a path to financial growth. Mastermind groups offer collective problem solving and mentorship. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.